Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all easy dessert recipe. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 4 cheese triangles, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 sachet of Dream Whip, 4 tablespoons of Nutella, 1 tin of cream and 1 packet of vermicelli. In a frying pan, add butter, add crushed vermicelli and roast it until it turns into golden color. Transfer vermicelli into a bowl and then add 4 tablespoons of Nutella and give it a good mix. Add 1 tablespoon of each in cupcake liners and press gently. Now in a blender add cheese triangles, Dream Whip sachet, cream and milk powder and blend it well. Now add cream into a piping bag or any plastic bag you have. Now for melting chocolate, add boiling water into a cup and place the chocolate for melting. For garnishing, we need chopped pistachio and melted chocolate. As you can see, crispy dessert is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.